Alright, welcome to my Dust and Glory horizontal template. I'm going to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. First off, there are a bunch of different backgrounds you can choose from. You have a flag option, which you can see here. If I shut that off, you can see an awesome dusty field scene. Or, if you want, you can turn on the sky. You can incorporate the flag into the sky also. This has a variety of different movable elements. For example, these stadium lights can be moved, resized, placed different areas if you want to. There's a light flare back here, which you can move around, shut off. You got some dust, and of course lots of text. This text can be the players' names. It could also be used for their game dates. So this could be like 22nd of October, and then you put their opponent down at the bottom. I love this Dust and Glory motto, but it doesn't have to be that. It could just be the name of your team up here really big, or instead you could do something like this with the team name and nation underneath it. And that makes a pretty awesome model too. You can easily arrange these subjects in a nice line here, just like I did with these girls. And the tutorial included with the instant download will easily show you how. I can also arrange them, for example, by stacking them up behind each other. And that works great too. You can fit even more players. This makes awesome posters and banners for teams. And be sure to check out the individuals too. Hope you love it.